All right, so this is the ScoreKeeper app. Um, so right here at the top, it tells you whether you're going to be able to win through highest score or through lowest score. Right now, it's at highest score. If we click on lowest, it creates a check mark next to lowest. If we do highest, we'll leave it at that for now. The highest winner will win. For starting point, you can either change them from 0 to 10 to 20, but for this example, we'll just leave it at 0. All right, so we have players right here. We have 3 of them. We can add another one. We'll call this next player Paul. And then when we start a game, right now everybody starts at 0 points. So we can increase the numbers here. So right now, whoever has the highest score wins. So we'll make it for Alicia. When we end the game, as you can see, Alicia has been moved forward as the winner. So let's go ahead and reset the game down here, and we can change it to lowest score. Now we can start the game again down here, play. So we'll give people some random scores, and this time the lowest score has Paul. So when we end the game, Paul moves forward a little bit as the main player. All right. So inside of the content view folder or file, it's the main Swift UI screen. It holds the scoreboard state and starting points. It shows a title and a settings view that's only editable in .setup and grid of players. Each row has a name text field, a score label, and a stepper to change the scores. At the bottom, a single button changes with state: start game, end game, or reset game. We also hide scores and controls during setup, and optionally show a crown for winners when the game ends. All right, the next file is game state. It's a shorter file. It's a simple enum for setup, playing, or dot setup, dot playing, and dot game over. This drives which UI is enabled and when we can compute the winners. The next file is going to be the player filed. A player has a UUID, ID, name, and score. It conforms to identifiable for Swift UI bindings and equatable to test. So tests compare players by value, not by ID. The next one is going to be scoreboard. So on this one, this was the model of truth. It stores players, the current state, and the rule does highest score win. The winner's computed property returns all players that match the winning score, handling ties, and reset scores 2. Sets everyone's score to the chosen starting value. All right, next one is ScoreKeeper app. This is the app entry point. The app main app launches a window group that shows content view as the root view. The next file is settings view. Let me make this a little bit wider. So inside the settings view, this is the app entry point. I'm sorry. Yep. App entry point. I'm sorry. Hold on. The settings view is where the two at bindings flow changes back to content view. The win condition, highest versus lowest, and the starting points. Both are picked with picker controls and are disabled once the game starts. And then the last one is ScoreKeeper tests. The tests cover 3 essentials: resetting all player scores to 0, 10, 20, verifying the winner when the highest score wins, and verifying the winner when the lowest score wins. And that's it.